All right, Scott Moak here. I am joined, look, it's Best Reviews time, and we bring in one of the best reviewers of all time. It's Beth Allen. Beth, thanks for joining us here.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here. We're going to talk window treatments.
I love it. I love it. And you are such a DIY person. I think we've read some of your books. I mean, you are all over the place, and you're giving us some great tips about windows and how to make sure we're doing the right things.
Well, it's all about keeping cool over the summer, and especially when it gets really hot, how do we keep cool and keep energy efficient? So one of the most important things you need to do first is to actually close and lock your windows.
Seems pretty simple, but maybe not.
No, so many people forget to do this. Before the AC goes on, do this, okay?
All right.
So then we move into what are the other options for weatherizing your windows so that you don't sweat all summer.
Right.
Now, first thing, what about shades? I love these. These are blackout shades. They are lined with a certain material so that they block the light. Now you can buy these at any home center and they cut them to size in the box.
I was just going to ask because we have all different size windows.
Exactly. So they cut them in the box and you can walk out of the store that day. Super easy.
Okay.
You can also buy them online and they're pre-cut to different sizes and they fit most standard windows. Now these would be screwed on into position. Now they also have paper shades that you can buy that are temporary for like $10 or less, and they attach with Velcro or peel and stick.
Ooh, simple to put up.
Super easy. You could do it just for the heat of the summer and then take them down.
Take them down. All right.
You know?
All right.
One of the things though that I do love are blackout curtains because you have more texture, color, you have some style, and you get the weatherability that you need out of these.
You bet.
So here we are, we have these are lined. This is a material that will literally block out most of the rays so that your rooms stay cooler. Now these are great. These were 2 for $10 at a retailer. I had these in my kids' dorms because if you have a vampire child, they love these.
I was just going to say, daytime nappers and babies.
Yes.
They need this.
Perfect. And then these are great as well because they have this hook or this loop in the back.
Okay.
These are a lot easier to slide back and forth when you need to be opening and closing your drapes every day.
Sure.
So you have to decide which style you like. You can also put these on rings on a rod and it makes it easy.
Okay.
So these are things that you can do temporary for the season so that you're getting that cooling effect and not letting the sun heat your house like a greenhouse.
That's exactly right. All right, I know you have some ceiling fan things that you talk about. You have some tricks up your sleeve, undoubtedly. So tell us a little more.
I am a big fan of this tip, and everybody needs to know it. On your ceiling fan, on the motor, there's a little tiny toggle switch. And if you switch that switch, you want your blades to spin counterclockwise in the summer.
All right.
Okay, so think of ice cream counterclockwise.
Ooh, very good.
And that pushes the warm air up out of your living space.
All right.
And then in the winter, you reverse it and it brings the warm air down.
Look at you.
Super easy.
How many people know this? Not enough, I tell you.
Right. So that's what we do at Best Reviews. We bring you education, we bring you products, and we have a whole segment on our bestreviews.com about blackout curtains. So you can choose which one works best for you.
Stay cool in the summer. We don't need to be sweating in our house, and you've just given us all the tips, including shut your windows.
Absolutely. And we're here to just simplify your buying experience.
There it is. Bestreviews.com is where you can find more information. She is Beth. Great job. Thanks a lot.